Before we jump into the tutorial, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss helpful tech guides just like this. And if you want more PC tips, feel free to comment below. I always reply to as many as I can. Today, we're talking about how two USB boot drives work, why every PC user should have them, and how they can save you from system crashes, corrupted installs, viruses, or complete hard drive failures. A lot of people only have one bootable USB, usually for installing Windows, but having two gives you flexibility, backup, and extra tools when your system refuses to start. So how does it actually work? A USB boot drive is simply a flash drive that contains an operating system or a tool that your PC can load before Windows starts. When your computer fails or you need to repair something, you plug the USB in, restart your PC, and boot from it using the boot menu. Instead of loading your damaged Windows installation, your PC loads whatever is on the USB, Windows installer, recovery tools, antivirus scanners, Linux rescue systems, cloning software, anything you need. Now let's talk about the two-drive method. The idea is to have one primary boot drive and one secondary rescue drive, each serving a different purpose. The first USB is usually your Windows installation or recovery drive. It lets you install or repair Windows, reset your system, or access advanced troubleshooting tools. This is the one most people already have. But the second USB is the game changer. The second USB is a multi-tool boot drive, something like Ventoy or a Linux-based rescue environment. This drive lets you boot into antivirus scanners, backup tools, disk imaging software, or alternate operating systems. If your Windows drive is corrupted or infected, this second USB lets you access your files, clean malware, or clone your disk when Windows can't even boot. These two drives work together because they give you options. For example, if your PC refuses to start and shows a boot error, you can plug in the Windows installer USB, run startup repair, or restore Windows from a backup. But if that doesn't work, and your files are stuck on a failing drive, you plug in the second USB and boot into a live environment like Ubuntu or recovery tool. This lets you copy important files, scan for malware, or even clone your entire system to a new hard drive. One USB fixes Windows, the other USB saves your data and gives you emergency tools. That's why two USB boot drives are so powerful, they cover both system repair and data recovery. Another reason this setup works so well is redundancy. USB drives can fail, they can get corrupted, or firmware updates might break your installer. If one USB doesn't boot, the second USB is your backup. During critical situations, having only one bootable USB can leave you completely stuck. Two drives give you confidence and flexibility. And the best part is that these USBs don't interfere with each other. You don't plug them in at the same time unless you want to. Each one is independent and works on its own. Your PC simply checks the boot menu, sees both drives, and you choose the one you want to launch. Think of them as two separate emergency kits, one for installing or repairing Windows, and one for rescuing your entire system when things go really wrong. Once you set them up, store them in a safe place. Label them so you know which one is your Windows installer and which one is your rescue drive. Whenever your PC crashes, freezes, refuses to boot, gets hit with malware, or the drive starts failing, you'll be ready. These two USB boot drives can save your files, save your system, and save you from a ton of stress. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to protect their PC. And don't forget to leave a comment if you want a step-by-step guide on creating your own boot drives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.